welcome to my house. Okay, so we'll start with the first bedroom. It's the small bedroom. Actually it's quite small, but you know what? Who cares? It's mine. So welcome to the bedroom. Shelves, a window. Don't know what these are called. Editor Edward is saying. To be fair, what I want to do is to basically take them out because waste of space, and take carpet because carpet is like a dust trap, and basically have underfloor heating for the bedroom and living space down the line. But yeah, this is that. Wallpaper that I'm gonna rip off because I paid wallpaper. Wall. 4 walls and they belong to me. A little wardrobe here. Welcome to my wardrobe. I fit in there. Editor, do not laugh. Okay, cool. This is bedroom 1, which is where Editor Edward will probably sleep in whenever he misses his last train. Onto the hallway, and then the next bedroom. Okay, bedroom 2, which is probably where I'm gonna sleep. Come in. Wallpaper, a weird little corner. I don't know what to do in there. Maybe hide during hide and seek. An odd corner again. Maybe I can have a wardrobe here and close myself and pretend I'm dead. Okay, I'm a bit too excited. And then more wardrobe. To be fair, what is that? What is that? Another wardrobe where I'm gonna hide all my sins. I fit! Okay. I'm too excited if you can't tell. Welcome to my dream apartment.
Keyword dream.
Precisely. On to the next one. Wow, that was bizarre. And the hallway again to the living room. It's nothing much. Window. Chimney, question mark. Let's find out soon. Things to put my awards that I'm going to be winning. My family pictures, graduation pictures. And I'm going to burn all my stalking proof. To be fair, I do think there might be a chimney in there. You think?
I think so, yeah. I think it used to be.
So, then we do renovations. Another one. Okay, don't know why this is that colour, but like, you know what? We don't discuss taste and things. And then it's gonna get very dark because we have a really weird L-shaped corridor. Come on in, besties, come on in. Why did you take your shoes off?
I thought it would be better.
Okay,
Is that okay?
Cool. Yeah, sure. Random cardboard with random things. Come on in. Is there light in here? Oh, there's light in here. Yeah, random things. Probably need to be sorted out.
Some nice gifts.
Yeah, nice gift to a thingy. This is the first one that's gotta go. Like, I don't like the state of the bathroom. Also, someone left us the number 2. So, was it me? Don't know. Probably not. Hopefully not. Toilet, where we do our needs. Bathtub, which I'm not going to use. I don't like to waste water. I work for an environmental company, so hopefully it will be like a cascade shower. That's what I'm for. And I want like a much smaller bathroom. Like, that makes most sense, you know. What is that? Don't know what it's called. What? Yeah, washing bowl. Oh, I look like hell.
No,
great.
No.
Very useful. Shelves. Definitely gonna go. First place that's gonna go. But you know what? It's great. And then the kitchen. Also, it needs like a little bit of TLC, needs a little bit of glow. You can see that there's been some celebration. I have things that needs to be done. got me flowers. I don't know who that someone is because they know I love flowers. Is that asbestos in there?
No, I didn't think so. Well, you wouldn't be able to tell visually anyway.
Okay. Death.
It does have quite a big hole to the outside there. Can you see by the boiler?
Yeah. Fun! We'll figure it out. This technically might become my bedroom at some point in time. We'll see. Flowers gifted to me by my best friend who knows I love flowers. Shelves to keep my wine bottle, even though I'm teetotal, so I don't drink. A beautiful, beautiful induction oven situation. Even though I am more prone to gas, I know it's not environmental friendly. Oh my god, I need to cleanse the house after this. Storage. So lovely. Kitchen, oven. Probably needs a really deep clean if I use it. Storage. A corner because my grandma said God enters the house before I do. Am I religious? No, but do I love my grandma more than anything in the world? A washing machine! That needs to be changed. Please come in. Put the phone in there. Okay. Cool. Needs to be cleaned. It looks nasty. Stuff.
Wow, lots of gifts.
Stuff again. Stuff. And then stuff. My fridge for all of my. Smells like hell. Yeah. For all of my testicles.
Interesting.
For all of my. I don't know. I can find a silly joke.
Food?
Yeah, but it's not jokey.
Oh, I see.
Freezer. Okay. Let's go! This is the house. Welcome. Okay, that should be the outro.